Deputy President Floyd Shivambu are gathering outside the Clicks store at Sandton City, north of Johannesburg. It's where we find my colleague Natasha Phiri. Natasha, what are you witnessing there?
We're not going to agree to have racist institutions to be allowed to continue to exist as if there's nothing wrong. And we're very consistent as the EFF. Every time racism rears its head, we act very decisively. So they must lose revenue, they must lose profits because of their racism. Because most of these institutions think that they can act like they used to do under colonialism and apartheid. It will not happen under the watch of the economic freedom fighters. Because we're an organization that is fighting against all forms of racism in all parts of the world, in all parts of South Africa. So we're here to stop cliques from operating. If they open, we enter. If they open, we're going to enter, and there will not be any operation that is going to exist here. And there's not any form of court order or any intimidation that is going to stop us from protesting against racism. That is why we are here today, to say no to racism, and that cliques must fall until they comply to all the demands that we've given them. Because racism must be treated as such, it must be resisted, it must be rejected everywhere. That is why we are here today, and we're going to be here to make sure that this store doesn't open. If it means we come back tomorrow, we'll come back tomorrow, the whole of the week, until they accede to the demands that we have given as the economic freedom fighters. Because it looks like these other organizations have learned how to live with racism. They accept racist actions. But as the EFF, we will never ever tolerate racism. Every time it rears its head, we'll always act decisively. That is what we do. They're actually very lucky that we had the planned protest which we announced before we came. They should ask what happened to H&M when we took action against them for racism. There were lots of consequences, and this is what is going to happen to each and every institution, to each and every workplace that shows racism. We're going to always act as the economic freedom fighters, because we'll never ever tolerate racism. That is the purpose of our visit here, and we're going to be here to make sure that this place does not open until they accede to the demands that we have given. We've made the demands public, and they have not acceded to them. So that is what we are here for.
Well, very good morning to you once again. We're coming to you from the Sandton City shopping center, of course, outside Clicks. And just an update from our side, we actually engaged with the Deputy President of the EFF, Floyd Shivambu, and he was just telling us, members of the media, that the EFF will be intensifying their campaign, saying that if they need to camp outside this Clicks store in Sandton the entire week, they will be doing so. He had said that they will not tolerate racism as a party, and the same thing that they did to H&M, they will actually do to Clicks. But I'll just ask my colleague Stelom Kiza to actually show you what's going inside the store right now. Earlier on, we did report that there were members or staff members of Clicks that were still inside the store, and they have just actually turned off the lights, somewhat signaling that this store will not be open for today. The EFF have further demanded that whoever created that advert, Clicks should actually release the name of the company who actually created that advert. And of course, if you're wondering what advert we're talking about, this is an advert that portrayed black female hair to be dull as compared to white Caucasian hair that was, according to them, nice, long and straight. And the EFF says that all men and all forms of racism will not be tolerated within the country 26 years after the dawn of democracy. But if I'll just ask Stella to show you what's going on behind me, those EFF members still protesting there, remaining defiant, saying that they are not going anywhere. they are still staying here, and of course they want the Clicks stores to be closed countrywide. They have reiterated their stance that they will be intensifying their campaign throughout the week. But perhaps I also want some reaction to reports they're coming in saying that a Clicks store was actually petrol bombed. I don't know if Stella will actually try walk with me, and we'll just actually try show you what's going on from our side. We also want a reaction there from the Deputy President, Floyd Shivambu, on that store being petrol bombed. As you can see, EFF members behind me just singing there and engaging in struggle songs. If I'll just ask you to step out of the way. And here we're joined by DP. DP, thank you so much for talking to us once again. You said that you will be intensifying your campaign. You will be camping outside this Clicks store, and you want the store to be closed.
Yes, we are going to be here to make sure that this Clicks store and all other stores in South Africa must not be opened until they accede to the demands. We're here to fight against racism, because we're the only organization that confronts racism head on. So we're here to say to Clicks management that they must accede to our demands. They must hold those that put out that advert accountable. The company that was responsible must be named, and the people that were involved in commissioning that advert must be named, their names must be known by everyone, so that we are able to isolate racists, because we'll never allow to live in a society that is still defined by barbaric racism, which does not want to acknowledge black people as human beings. And that is what we are here for, to then condemn all manifestations of racism. That is what we are as the EFF. It's not the first time we do this. We did it with H&M when they put out that racist advert. And there were so many benefits for workers, and they began to appreciate that. They must appreciate that we've got black people who are human beings, not just to treat them as if they are some lesser humans, and we will never allow that as the economic freedom fighters.
Mr. Shivambu, perhaps give us a reaction on reports coming in that a Clicks store in Witbank was actually petrol bombed.
Look, it could have been other activities. We have not commissioned for burning of any store yet. We have not given that instruction yet. The instruction that we have given to all the structures of the EFF is that they must go and protest outside the stores of Clicks to make sure that they do not open until they accede to our demands. We have not given an instruction that any petrol bomb must be thrown to any store anywhere. So that is basically what we have dealt with. It's unfortunate that some of their stores have been banned. I'm sure that there are other people who have taken a much more revolutionary and decisive action to go physical about it. We have not yet gotten there ourselves as the EFF. Our action now is just to stop their operations. They must lose profit, they must lose revenue until they recon the fact that their activity, their racism is unacceptable.
Mr. Shivambu, you made an interesting statement there. You had said that you have not commissioned that yet. So are you actually condoning violence?
We're not condoning any violence. I'm just saying that the fact of the matter is that we have not commissioned for any petrol bombing of any store of Clicks yet. That is a fact. We have not done so in terms of what happened. And in terms of what happens, we have not commissioned for any burning of store. We're engaged here in a peaceful protest. If we wanted to take a different approach, we would have done so. When we protested in H&M stores, we took a different approach. But now we're taking this approach which we had announced prior to coming to say to Clicks that they must not open the stores, or we will continue the protest. That is what we're engaged in currently.
So what happens if Clicks actually decides to open their stores today?
There's not going to be opening of any store by Clicks. That we know. If they open, we enter. There's not going to be any shopping that is going to happen in Clicks. So that is as simple as that. So we dare them to try to open the store. There's not going to be any opening of any store.
And earlier on we spoke about the employees inside. I mean, how are they affected by this?
Look, in the immediate, of course, they will be engaged in whatever difficulties of not working. We don't know what will be the company's approach to that, but we can assure the workers of Clicks that in the long run, they're going to benefit much more significantly from our action because racism will come to an end in Clicks. That is what happened to H&M when we took action.
Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Shabam. That was the Deputy President today of the EFF, just also giving us a reaction and reports coming in on that store, the Click store in Witbank, being firebombed, saying that as the EFF, they have not commissioned, that action. Also saying that they're not condoning violence, but saying that they will be intensifying their campaign and they will be camping outside here. As he says, according to him, no Click store across the country will be opened. As for me here in Sandton City, it's back to you, Blaine.
All right, Natasha Phiri, thank you very much indeed for your reporting. 0787994480 is the number to keep handy. We'll try to take more of your calls a little later on, but we're keeping a close eye on what's happening at the State Capture Commission. Today we're hearing Eskom related testimony, and